Kumusta? Anong ginawa mo for the past how many days?
Yeah, because
our last lesson is about the direction. We have touched the direction.
But yeah, it's supposed to be today about the direction.
Okay. Okay. What are you going to do, Faisal, is just to familiarize the vocabulary. Now, let's move on to the direction. I give you a copy of the direction. Direction. The first is dito.
Dito is here, right? Dito is here. Huh?
Doon. Over there.
Over there. What is that? Daot?
Doon. D-O-O-N.
Daon. Doon. Right? Doon.
If you open the copy that I said, everything is there. And then left is kaliwa.
See.
But
yeah.
Different.
Yeah, just found it.
You see?
Yeah, but I can't open it.
Okay, I will just tell you. The here is dito is here. Doon is over there.
Yeah, over there.
And diyan is there. It's just nearby. There.
Yan. There.
And then left, yes, that is yan. The left is kaliwa. Kaliwa.
Okay.
K-A-L-I-W-A, kaliwa. And then right is kanan.
Kanan.
So because we have 15, all of this is 15. We will just kanan. Yes, it's right. Yes, that's correct. And then the 6 and 15 later. At this time, we will use first this 5 in a simple sentence. Okay. Now, what is house? What is bahay?
Bahay.
Bahay. The city is lungsod.
Not ciudad.
Ciudad can be.
Ciudad.
The places in the city. Have you read or not yet? You have not yet opened that one. Ang mga lungsod ay ang mga lugar sa lungsod. The places in the city. I give you that one.
Should I open it now? Which one?
Places. Ang mga lugar sa lungsod. The places in the city. Mga lugar sa lungsod. The market is palengke.
Palengke. Okay.
Market is palengke.
Like that, palengke?
With letter G.
Palengke. Okay, palengke. Okay.
Palengke. Okay, next is pharmacy. Butika.
Sounds like boutique in English.
Butika, yes. And then mall is pamilihan. The mall.
Pamilihan. At centro comercial?
Yes, centro comercial. That is in Spanish. Yes, pamilihan is a mall. And then when I say police station, himpilan ng pulisya.
What is that?
Police station. Police station.
How?
Himpilan. H-I-M-P-I-L-A-N. Himpilan ng police. Police is a policeman. Police.
Yeah, it's the same, right?
P-U-L-I-S. No. We do not spell like that. That is English. Police. P-U-L-I-S.
Sounds
different. You see?
Yeah. P-U, right?
P-U. L-I-S.
Police. Wow.
Police, yes. Yeah. You're laughing with the spelling of the Tagalog.
Yeah.
Police. And then, how about fire station? Fire station is himpilan ng bombero.
Fire station. Bombero is the same in Spanish.
Bombero.
It's actually bombero. In Spanish, it's bombero. But in Tagalog, it's bombero, right? What is it again?
We derived from Spanish also. Bombero. Himpilan. Same as himpilan ng police.
Himpilan ng
bombero.
B-O-M.
B-O-M. Bombero.
Bombero.
Bus station is istasyon ng bus. Istasyon ng bus. Bus station.
Istasyon?
Bus.
Station. Like that? Istasyon. Nan bus. Like that?
I-S. No, I-S. I-S-T-A-S.
I-S.
Istasyon.
I-S. Like that?
Yes. Istasyon ng bus. Okay. And then another is post office. Post office is kagawaran ng Kurio.
Kagawaran. Ng
Kurio.
Okay. Kurio. Kurio.
Kurio is K-O. No. That's Kurio. K-O-R K-O. K-O-R-E-O,
Correo.
meaning that is letter.
Correo is in Spanish as well. Correo.
Say letter.
Yeah, but it's different spelling.
Okay, that but different spelling. In Spanish, I think it's letter C for you.
Yeah, Correo.
Yes.
Correo, like that.
Okay.
Correo. I
Yes.
think with double R, I think Correo. I'm not sure.
Okay. And then seaport. Seaport is pantalan.
Pantalan. Sounds like pantalon. Pantalan.
That's like pantalon. Pantalon is your torso. Yes, seaport. Pantalan.
Pantalan.
Okay, now let's practice. When I say the airport is here, here is the airport. Dito ang paliparan.
Dito ang
Paliparan.
Dito ang paliparan.
Yes, airport.
Here's the airport.
That's a simple. Okay, when I say over there is the seaport. Doon ang
Doon ang pantalan.
Yes, very good. When I say there is the mall.
There is where's there?
Yan.
Diyan ang pamilihan.
Yes. When I say
Pamilihan or pamilihan?
pamilihan.
Pamilihan.
When I say there sa kaliwa, on the right side is kanan. On the right side is the pharmacy. Sa kaliwa.
Right side. Sa kaliwa, sa kanan.
Sa kanan, on the right side.
Sa kanan ang butika.
Correct.
Butika.
When I say on the left side is the market.
Left. Sa kaliwa ang palengke.
Yes, okay. So we add some more. Next direction is sa gilid. Sa gilid meaning on the side.
On the side.
On the side.
What sa?
Gilid on the side.
Sa gilid or sa gilid?
Gilid. Sa gilid. G-I-L-I-D.
Sa gilid with a D. Okay. Sa gilid.
And then sa harap, in front. Yes, that is. S-A space gilid.
Okay. Sa harap.
Sa harap, in front is sa harap is in front. You harap, not that. And then
Sa harap. Okay. Because you are saying together, that's why it sounds like one word. There's two words, right? Sa harap.
Is harap, in front. Also, harap and sa gilid. And at the back. At the back is sa likod.
Sa likod. Sa likod.
Sa likod is at the back.
Or behind, you can say, right? Behind.
Likod. Okay, we will use that one. Sa likod, sa harap, sa gilid. There are one sa likod, sa harap, sa gilid, and one more is sa gitna. Sa gitna is at the center or at the middle.
Middle.
Yes, okay. So we will use like this. When I say the mall is at the center of the police station.
The mall.
Ang pamilihan, I will say, ang pamilihan ay sa gitna, or you can say, ay nasa can be, ay nasa gitna na, I say, the mall is at the center of, what did I say?
Police station?
Police station. The mall, maybe, yes, the mall is at the center of the police station. Ang pamilihan ay nasa gitna ng himpilan ng pulisya. At the center, okay? Another example, when I say in front, ang palengke ay nasa harap ng pamilihan. Meaning, in front, the market is in front of the mall. Another is the post office is at the back of the pharmacy. Ang kagawaran ng Correo ay nasa likod ng what do I say, pharmacy ng butika.
Butika.
Okay, so you can do it.
It's gonna maybe take 2 classes for this. A little getting complicated.
Okay.
To remember the.
When I say, here is my house.
Dito ang aking bahay.
Yes, you can be dito ang aking bahay or dito ang bahay ko.
Ah, okay. That is actually it's like naturally is coming like ang aking.
Yes, ang aking can be. Because ang aking meaning is a possession of yours. Ang aking, dito ang aking bahay. Or the inverted form is dito ang bahay ko. Okay, I will give you that copy, how the two way of making sentence in Tagalog, the inverted form and the not inverted form. Okay, when
Okay.
I say there is the mall.
There.
The mall.
Diyan.
Correct.
Diyan ang pamilihan.
Yes, diyan ang pamilihan. When I say over there is the seaport.
Doon. Seaport is doon ang pantalan.
Yes, okay. In front is the market. Sa harap.
Sa harap ang market is palengke.
Yes, palengke. Sa harap.
Palengke. Sa harap ang palengke. Palengke.
I say on the sides is the hospital.
Sa gilid.
Yes.
Ang hospital.
Yes. When I say on the left side is the park.
Left side is kaliwa ang parke.
Yes. On the right side is the police station.
Kanan ang himpilan ng polis.
Sa kanan.
Sa kanan ang himpilan ng polis.
Yes. When I say there is the airport.
Diyan, sa diyan, right?
Yes.
Sa diyan ang.
No, do not put sa diyan if you use diyan. Only on the kanan, sa kaliwa, and the others.
Okay. Diyan ang.
Cannot. Okay.
Diyan ang paliparan.
Paliparan. There is the airport. When I say there is the airport in front of pharmacy.
In front of pharmacy. In front, sa harap, butik.
Sa harap ng butika.
Sa harap ng butika.
Diyan ang paliparan sa harap ng butika. So I will make it little by little longer, okay?
Sige.
Sige. Don't worry, if you will be here in the Philippines, if you know the direction, you will not be lost.
Yeah, when the taxi cab, I have to explain them where I go, about my destination.
Yeah, you can tell the direction. If somebody asks you, like for example, you are somebody strangers in the Philippines and you are here, you stay here. If you get married with your girlfriend, maybe you will stay here for a couple of years or a couple of months, and then somebody will ask you, Faisal, where is the church here? And you can tell them in Tagalog the full direction. You see?
Sige. Yeah, but it takes a few lessons. It's not enough because it's a longer subject and little complicated.
I think we will just have this two lessons, and then we will gonna finish.
Yeah.
Just
two lessons, yeah, minimum, yeah.
Only 2 lessons, they already finished, and then for the third is mastery of the everything, and they can make a direction in a longer sentence. Listen, that it goes straight here, turn around, and then you go down and going up. I will teach you that also. Okay, but this time just a simple. When I say over there is the seaport. Over there, seaport. At the side, wait. Over there is the seaport. At the back of bus station.
Over there. Doon, seaport is doon ang pantalan.
Yes.
Doon ang pantalan.
Yes, correct. At the back.
At the back is sa likod.
Sa likod.
Sa likod or sa likod?
Likod, letter D.
Okay. I just written N. Likod.
At the back of police station.
Sa likod ang himpilan.
I mean bus station. At the back of bus station.
At the back. Sa likod, istasyon ng bus.
Sa likod ng istasyon ng bus.
Sa likod ng istasyon ng bus.
Okay, another. There is the market. There is the market on the left side of the pharmacy.
There, diyan ang market, palengke.
Diyan ang palengke.
Diyan ang palengke.
Okay. In front, on the left side.
On the left
side of the pharmacy.
Sa kaliwa ng butika.
Yes, ng butika. Nang butika. Okay, see, you can do it. Another,
Yeah.
just as simple. Here is the market on the sides of hospital.
Here, dito ang palengke
Hmm?
sa galit
Sa gilid
sa gilid ng hospital.
ng
Sa gilid ang hospital.
you see, you can do it. Another. On the left side is the hospital. On the left side is the hospital. In front is the pharmacy.
Sa kaliwa ang hospital.
Correct?
Sa kaliwa ang hospital. Sa harap butika. Butika.
See, you can do it. Another. On the right side is the mall. On the right side is the mall.
Sa kanan,
At the center is the park.
Sa kanan ng pamilihan. Pamilihan. The center.
At the center.
The center.
At the center.
What is at the center?
At the middle or at the center. Sa gitna.
Middle. Sa gitna. The middle of the center.
There is the mall at the center of the, what did I say? Hospital?
The center of the hospital, sa gitna ng hospital?
Yes, okay. Sa gitna ng hospital. There is the mall, there is the bus station at the back of the airport.
Diyan ang estasyon ng bus sa likod paliparan ng paliparan.
So you got it now. Just that is not enough because you can spell a very longer direction. Okay. By next meeting, we will continue the direction. Okay. We have not yet throughout this one. It's
a little complicated. Yeah.
Go straight. Like you go straight. You turn left. You turn right, and then you going down, going up. Still have many. Okay. And then the words we use the word banda. So I will send you another Bandarian. There is a rule for banda. Why somebody said, when I say Faisal, where is the market? Somebody sa Bandarian. Instead of Rian, it become Rian. Why? So I have the rule there. See, Bandarian. Bandarian is meaning on the left side. On the side bandang kaliwa is on the left side. When I say bandaroon, over there. That is the term in Tagalog, banda. And there are two meaning of banda, using in the places and using at the time. When I what time did you arrive yesterday, Faisal? You will say around 5 o'clock. In Tagalog, mga bandang alas 5. See, so there are two ways. I give you
the time and direction at the same time.
But because you cannot open, I will send you again. Okay?
Please.
Okay. I think it's almost. What time is it? Almost.
Yeah, it's 34 already.
Okay. So I have to say goodbye. Paalam.
Paalam, ingat.
I will send you the copy and then can you open it and then you have a guide on how to construct a simple sentence using those directions and the how it changes to D to R. There is a rule and how to use the banda and the banda for the time, bandang for the direction. Okay? So see you again for our next lesson. Paalam.
Paalam, hanggang sa muli. Ingat.
You're so cute, Faisal. When you're so cute.
Salamat.